it's that special time. It's time to taste this with Frank Gallo. Here it is, gnocchi in pesto sauce, homemade. Here we go. Oh my God. Benvenuti a tutti and welcome to another episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo tonight. Tonight is gonna be incredible. But last night I made these beautiful homemade gnocchi for you. Tonight we're gonna have them in a pesto sauce that I'm gonna personally make for you. Let's go over the ingredients. We have fresh basil from my garden. We have olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. We have garlic. We have black pepper. We have salt, butter, Parmigiano Reggiano, and we're going to finish it off with some heavy cream. Most importantly, we have the gnocchi, which are homemade. We have our food processor here. We're going to take out basil. I'm going to put it into the food processor, just like that. Oh, this smells so good. Put it right into the food processor right there, all of it. And we're going to run it dry a little bit just to get it rolling. We're going to run it for a little bit. And as we run it, yeah, look at that. We're going to start to add a little bit of olive oil. You see, as we add the olive oil, it starts to take it down even further. And now, we're going to add some salt. Okay, we add some salt. We're going to add our beautiful garlic. This is about 2 cloves of garlic. We're going to add our black pepper. A touch more of olive oil. Oh, it smells so good in here, folks. Okay, so it's ready. There's your pesto sauce, ready to go into the pan, where we're going to saute it the remainder of the way. We're going to start to put our pesto sauce into our pan. Oh, look at that. Guys, if you could smell this right now. Oh, my Lord. Look at this beautiful, rich pesto sauce. It's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Like my mother used to say, da niente si fa tutto. You would never think that something as simple as a basil plant could make something so magnificently delicious as this pesto sauce here tonight that I am making for you guys. We're going to have gnocchi pesto. Wow. Look at that. Magnificent. We'll wait till it heats up a little bit. And we're going to add a little bit of butter. Okay, we're going to add a little butter. Going to add a little heavy cream. We'll take a fork. And we'll just mix this up. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful that is. Wow, guys, if you could smell this right now. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Something so simple. Thank you, Mama. A little vino and spuntino. We've salted our pasta water. We'll add a little more. Can you see this beautiful pesto right here? This is in the way. Look at that. Look at that. Now, we don't want it to burn. We're going to put it on really low. Wow. I'm going to take it off the heat a little bit. Creamy, rich, delicious pesto. Now, when you put the gnocchi in, do not put too many in at a time. Look at that beautiful pesto. Look at that beautiful, look at that pesto, Sharon. Oh my God, huh? You know, guys, let me tell you, while we're waiting for this water to boil, I am so blessed. I am so blessed, and I want to share my blessings with you. It's all about you. I'm going to share Mama Gallo's recipes with you. I'm going to bring them to you. The easy, the simple, the arrangiarsi, making do. That's what it means. Arrangiarsi in Italian means you make do with what you have. And that's what we did when we were kids. We were very poor. My parents knew how to make do with what they had. We made our own wine. We made our own pasta. We made our own sausage. We made everything. Everything was homemade. Okay, the water's boiling now. Couple at a time. Just a couple at a time. Don't put too many in. Put about a handful. You'll see them starting to float to the top. When they float to the top, they're ready. The reason you don't want to put too many in at a time is because you'll cool the water down too rapidly and then they won't cook. Okay? So you put in a couple at a time. And as they come to the top, scoop them up. Put them right in. Scoop them up from the top. Put them right into the sauce. To that beautiful pesto sauce. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. As I said, we're just going to make my portion here. I'm going to take a little Parmigiano Reggiano. Sprinkle it over the top. Guys, are you watching this? Is anybody watching this? Now, you know I got to have my habanero. Again, be careful with this. This is very, very hot. Very, very hot habanero. There it is. Guys, look at this. Sharon, can you see that? Do you see that, Sharon? Look at that. Mix it around. Look at that. Look at that. Pesto sauce. Look at that. We're going to put it in the plate right now. And it's going to be the moment of truth. Now, you have to remember, very important, the blessing, the Father, the Son, the Holy Ghost, we bless it with the olive oil, right? Little blessing of olive oil. Of fresh olive oil. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's that special time. It's time to taste this with Frank Gallo. Here it is. Gnocchi in pesto sauce, homemade. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. I gotta have another one. I gotta have two more. Look at this, guys. Can you see this? Can you see this? Open your mouth. Here we go, right here. Oh my God. I did it again. I did it again. I did it for you because I love you. I love you all. Once again, folks, thank you so much for joining me in tonight's episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. Gnocchi in a beautiful homemade pesto sauce. The homemade gnocchi in the pesto sauce. Most importantly, folks, most importantly, I love you, Mama. Cinci 100 anni.